Two shoes. I mean, 2 chains. 2 chains and Drake no lie. To be the head is Power 95.3 Orlando's #1 for commercial-free hip-hop. Obi, Lil Sean, SD, Carmen, Quinn.
6:15 right now. It is 76 degrees on your fabulous Thursday. We're starting it off very well.
Yeah, and you know, since it is August, this does mean that we are 15 days away. Since it's August 2nd, we are 15 days away from City Skip Day. City Skip Day. For those of you who don't know about City Skip Day, get hip with it. It is a day that your employer is going to allow you to leave work at 12 to meet up with us, Wall Street Plaza.
Allegedly.
On the 17th, which is also your birthday, Lil Sean.
Yeah, this is my birthday. Come out and celebrate my birthday with me. All the fellow Leos should be out there as well, man.
Yeah, we'll be out there playing games.
Party downtown.
Free beer.
Oh, it's so fun.
Can I say this again? Free beer. Free beer.
We had a blast. Like last year.
Last year was amazing.
Yeah, we block off all of Wall Street Plaza, and it's all there. We have like kegs and drinks and food, and we party and games, and it turns into like a party.
I'm not going to say which judge we had there, but I felt like it was like a little bit of a local celebrity thing. You know, we had a couple of lawyers there, of course.
It's brought to you by Overchuck
Mr.
Law Firm.
Overchuck, yeah, John Overchuck, the main presenter who buys the beer for everybody. You know, but we had a judge there. I'm not going to say his name, but just it was very cool. It was very cool rubbing elbows.
The guy you were doing shots with.
Don't put the judge on
the gray-haired
blast,
gentleman.
please.
The gray-haired gentleman.
Anyways, it's like you're in high school and you have senior skip day. You know what I'm saying? You
that
all
is
get
a perfect
to leave,
way to explain it. Yeah.
hang out for the rest of the day after lunch. So you know, on Friday the 17th of August,
August 17th,
you're gonna leave for lunch and you're gonna hang out with us for the rest of the day. That's it.
Yeah.
we're gonna party. So
At Wall
just
Street, downtown
be
Orlando.
prepared.
Free beer. Free beer.
Wouldn't it be nice to buy a car with